In this video, we're going to review how to generate and share citations using Zotero. Zotero is built to help you share your research, and one way to do that is by including information in a bibliography or a works cited page. Zotero has built-in, easy tools to automatically generate both in-text citations and bibliographies for you. Let's start by reviewing how to generate an in-text citation. Let's say I'm working on a project and I use a quote from this article, Queering Jane Austen in the 21st Century, and I want to be sure that I cite the source in my paper or my project. I can start by right-clicking on the source and scrolling down to Create Bibliography for this item. Zotero has a number of citation styles and formats that you can use, but I'm going to use MLA, that's what I'm most familiar with. And I'm going to use the output mode citation because I am generating an in-text citation, and then copy to clipboard and click OK. Once I've done that, I can navigate to the Word document or Google document that I was working on, find where the citation needs to be, and paste. So here I see that I have the beginnings of my in-text citation. I might need to add a page number, maybe do some formatting, but I have the beginnings of my in-text citation all set and easily generated using Zotero, and that's really helpful. You can follow a very similar method to generate a full citation for a works cited page or a bibliography for resources saved in your Zotero library. I'll once again right-click on the resource that I want to cite and click on Create Bibliography from Item. Choose my citation style, MLA 9th edition, and this time I'll want to choose the bibliography because I want the full citation record, not just the in-text citation. Again, I'll choose Copy to Clipboard as my output method and click OK. Then I can navigate to wherever I am creating my bibliography and paste my citation, and you see I've got the author, article title, journal, etc., since this was a journal resource. You can also generate citations from multiple sources at the same time that you want to include in your bibliography by highlighting the number of articles or resources that you would like to include, and once again right-clicking, Create Bibliography from Items, choosing your citation style, creating a bibliography, copying to the clipboard, clicking OK, and then pasting in your Word document. And you can see these were 5 different articles that I had, all saved in my Zotero library that I wanted to include in one citation or bibliography. Finally, if you do have all of the resources for a project gathered into a collection and you want to generate a full bibliography for that collection, you can easily do that by right-clicking on the collection title, creating a bibliography from the collection, choosing your citation style, your output mode, copying to the clipboard, clicking OK, navigating to your Word document, and pasting that bibliography into your Word document. An important thing to remember if you're using Zotero to generate citations for papers and projects is that you'll always want to double check that your citations are correct and has all the appropriate formattings before you turn in any projects. You can use the Citing Sources Guide from Columbia Libraries that's linked in the video description below to help you do that double checking. And you can also find more information on using Zotero to collect, organize, and share your research linked below and through the Zotero Research Guide available through the library website at library.colum.edu.